In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock cells in Microsoft Excel, helping you keep key data and formulas safe, while allowing other parts of your sheet to remain editable. This essential skill ensures that your vital information is protected, particularly when you're sharing spreadsheets with others or trying to maintain the integrity of your data. First, before we lock any cells, let's start by unlocking all the cells in your worksheet. This might sound counterintuitive, but it's a helpful first step. By default, all cells in Excel are locked, but this only takes effect once the sheet is protected. So, let's clear the slate to begin. You can easily select the entire sheet by pressing Ctrl and A together on your keyboard. This ensures that every single cell is highlighted. With your entire sheet selected, we will open the Format Cells menu. You can do this by pressing Ctrl and 1 simultaneously. This menu is useful for making numerous changes to your cells, including locking and unlocking them. Once the Format Cells window is open, navigate to the Protection tab. Here, you'll find a box labeled Locked. For now, uncheck this box and then click OK. By doing this, you've ensured that every cell in your worksheet is unlocked, giving you the freedom to lock only those specific cells that require protection. This step is optional, but it can really streamline the process, especially if you're dealing with a complex spreadsheet. The next step is to select the specific cells you want to lock. Think about which data or formulas are crucial and should not be tampered with. Click on those specific cells or highlight a range if you're dealing with multiple cells. Once you've identified the cells to lock, you'll need to open the Format Cells menu again by pressing Ctrl and 1. Within the Format Cells window, head over to the Protection tab once more. Now go ahead and check that locked box to ensure the cells you've selected are protected. After you've done this, simply click OK to confirm your selection. At this point, you've marked certain cells to be locked, but remember the cells are not fully protected until the sheet is protected. Don't forget to navigate to the Review tab on the Excel ribbon. Here, you will find the Protect Sheet button. Click on it to enable sheet protection, and you may want to enter a password for added security. This will enforce the locked status on the cells you selected, ensuring they can't be edited by mistake. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to lock cells in Excel. This practice is not only crucial for protecting your important data, but also ensures that you have control over the information that remains editable. Remember, each time you want to make changes to those locked sections, you'll need to unprotect the sheet. Use this newfound skill to keep your spreadsheets secure and organized.